How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're at the Peak District right now. It's 2022. We're at the Peak District. We've organised a sort of Caddy camping weekend. Sadly, 3 people had to cancel last minute, but you know, it is what it is. We've got 4 of us here. We just had a really cool day. It's Saturday and we just drove around the Peak District, loads of cool views. This is like a vloggy type videos, so at some point I might just cut the video and just jump to like we've got 4 Volkswagen Mark 1 trucks here. Now the reason why I say 4 Volkswagen Mark 1 trucks is because we've got 3 Caddies and 1 Rabbit pickup. So far left we've got Adam's, which he made, well, he did so much work to it in such a short amount of time to do this meet, which is like was supposed to be a bigger event. There's supposed to be 3 or 4 other people, but such is life. So that's his, that's my one there, you know about already. This is Kieran's, and then Sam's, yours on the end there.
Hey.
And I did want to do a video like about showing the differences between the Rabbit pickup and like the UK Caddy. But even just looking at the 3 UK Caddy ones, there's already quite a lot of differences I've seen. Obviously there's different parts you can get. Obviously Sam, you've got the small bumper, whereas Kieran and Adam have got the larger bumpers that wrap round. Obviously the US Rabbits have these massive, like, I'm gonna plow you down bumper. Again, differences like the side markers here on the US Rabbits, they've got the side markers which stay on. They don't indicate, whereas the UK Caddies do indicate. It's funny because my old Caddy didn't have those on the side. Again, differences like Kieran's got the bubble window, Sam and Adam have got the sliding windows, same as me. Did they always come like that? Just like the just from factory bubble.
I think they all came bubbles, yeah.
Yeah.
That was a standard window in UK.
Yeah. And then of course Sam, you've got the elephant, which you picked them up, but obviously again they would have been factory, wouldn't they?
Yeah, I think they came in like later Caddies. So I think it was an after option because people were complaining probably that the old ones were too small.
But yeah, let's have a little walk around and have a look. Adam's gone for the badgerless, which it came with, didn't it, Adam?
Yes, mate.
Badgerless grill.
Put it on by choice.
If you could choose, what grill would you have?
I don't know. I'm used to it with that one on now. Is the biggest issue. So it's I wouldn't want one with a chrome trim though.
You wouldn't, just a standard.
Just a standard black VW badge.
I have got one spare.
I'd probably black the badge out just so it blends in more, but keep the badge there. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Here's another little thing I wanted to show you. Look. Obviously, as you know, mine has come from California. That's where it spent most of its life. But when it got imported to the UK, it was registered in Southampton. There's a Southampton postcode there, and that is where that's my hometown. Which I just think that's very strange that this was sat in California most of its life, got imported, and it got registered in my hometown. And this is the exact truck that I've been wanting for how long? Like a decade. Isn't that just...
We're actually secret train spotters now.
Yeah. Yeah, so we should explain. So we're at a campsite right now in the Peak District, and I reckon the reason why it's so cheap is because the bloody train is so close. But yeah, look at Kieran's, look at this. Like, look how clean that is.
Far too clean.
Ridiculous. Look at that. Look at everything. Look at that. Have you ever seen a cleaner bed?
And what's great about this is that even the nuts are all pointing in the same direction, which is amazing. For someone who has slight OCD, it's really good to see.
And the back is very cool. I mean,
do you want to show how easy it is to open the tailgate?
Could do.
It's really easy.
Can I open the tailgate?
You've always got to ask a man if he can open his tailgate.
It
Look.
feels so nice, mate.
No bonus or anything like that.
Testicles. See, when we were driving around, that's all I saw was that.
Oh, did you feel that? No, I don't think you did.
So cool though. Again, look at the differences. So, again, we've got Adam's got the roll pan.
Rockbox roll pan.
Mine doesn't even have the four bolt holes there. You're supposed to have on each side. And then I don't even know what you call that. A tube bumper?
Caddy Sport bumper. It's an original Caddy Sport one. Yeah.
Caddy Sport bumper. Did you know that? Caddy Sport bumper?
Yeah.
That's amazing. And then yours, I don't even know what that is. What do you call that?
I don't know. It's a custom made one, but I hate saying that word.
And these are your lights for the reg plate.
Yeah, a little LEDs in the top corner. They're quite bright as well, which is quite good. So always pass.
Should we also show the teardrop?
Oh yeah, of course.
So this is yours, and this is your tow bar, right?
Yes.
Now show us what you've towed here, Sam.
What we tow. So this is my girlfriend's teardrop. It's not mine. I just look after it, make sure it doesn't get water in it, and make sure it stays on the road. And here it is. It's tiny. For reference, I'm 5'10". I'll be honest. I'm not 5'11". Maybe on a good day, but it's tiny. And then this is it. I'll just get these chairs out if I can. If you throw the camera in there,
yeah, man, look at that. It's literally just a bed, isn't it?
Double bed. We've got some double sockets in there if you want to charge your phone. A little shelf so we can put our clothes in. And it's got a little window there and a little window here. And a little
very cute
vent up the top. Brilliant. I'll leave them out.
And you got a cooktop.
Yeah, so
back.
Got a little kitchen surface here. Got some more plugs as well, so you can use your kettle. You can cook under here. We've got lights and stuff like that. Everything you want.
It's amazing.
And even if it rains, you can just about keep yourself a little bit dry.
Is this what you used to prop it up?
Yeah, so he has got some gas struts on it. I bought some new ones, which were really strong.
Yeah.
And they didn't work. So I put the old ones on, and the old ones still didn't work. So now I just use this piece of wood because I'm cheap. So just for things like this.
It's so cool. That it's so cute.
Yeah, and it's very lightweight, so it's very easy to tow. Even the Caddy's old engine would have been able to tow with it. It'd have been really easy. So if I use the Caddy or if I use my Mercedes, it's just bliss. You feel like it's not there, you forget about it. So Caddy still pulls really well. and it doesn't affect feel too much either because it's okay for aerodynamics, but the Caddy is shaped like a brick, so it doesn't.
Amazing. So that's your teardrop. That's where you're sleeping tonight, right?
Nice
there.
and warm. Unless, you know.
Well, mate, have a look at this. So, this is the tent. 4-person tent. Look at that. We've got a blow-up bed there. We're gonna fill up in a minute. I've got my heater just there. Can you see that? That is a lifesaver right there. I had it blasting up my feet and my head last night, doing like Tabata. So like 20 seconds on my head, 10 seconds on my feet. Yeah. And we got a barbecue about to happen in a minute.
And of course, we've got loads of cans of Monster, so Dan can
obviously
run and function.
How do you think I'm this excited all the time?
Because we've got 3.5 caddies.
3.5. I quite like the difference in all the tailgates. I mean, you've got red, black on red, white on red, fucked, and then Adam switches with plain. I love it.
And we've got 2 caddy covers, a truckman top, a no top.
Yeah.
Got a mix of everything.
It is a bit of a mix, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even though they're 2 red and 2 green, but still, so many differences. And this is like just how we spoke about it a lot on the podcast, haven't we? How customizable these things are.
Yes.
I mean, just look at this little detail as well. Do you know how long I was searching to find these? Ridiculous. Again, just little things. Little
We've got
things.
some reflectors at the workshop.
Have you? What, like that?
Yeah.
Oh. Amazing.
I've filled mine in.
Again, a difference, probably everybody knows this, but the rabbits have the, was it silver or aluminium rivet?
Chrome
sliding
surround,
windows.
yeah.
Bubble, sliding. Stock height versus lowered.
Versus on the ground.
Slammed
Yeah.
on its arse.
So what you're doing? So when it was in a bit of an angle like that, so sometimes this would go off to the side, it wouldn't read properly, so I'm going to put it in a bit more direct like that,
Yeah.
a bit of length so it's not as bent, and then hopefully it should read more accurate, well not as more accurate, but it'll read more, better quality should we say.
Yeah.
I'm just going to reroute it between the cooler pipes.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. This has been such a fun weekend, just to chill and actually see other Caddy owners in person, which is just, yeah, it's just really cool. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, press the like button. If you want to come and meet us and drive around with us, leave a comment below or find us on Instagram and let's get a conversation going. Let's get a discussion in the comment section. Here's the train again, in case you missed that. And yeah, like I said, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.